I am going to download my mind with the wrong software and run bad programs. Because grandma used to say that a brain is a computer if it processes information, but now she said Catherine is fiction. So I'm going to program my mind with the wrong thing. First I gotta go to settings. I'll get my play phone out so I can go to settings. Anyways, I'm gonna have to do something that will basically do it. If I told you before that mental computers are real, then I'm not stupid. I just basically did that already. I downloaded my mind with the wrong software. But I wanted to do it. I wanted to program negative thoughts into my mind just by using my play phone. Because that's what I did. I downloaded a ton of negative thoughts. And I tried to run a ton of negative programs in my mind. And when I do that, that means that I would be running much more negative programs in my mind, which far more between I would be programming a bunch of negative things in my mind. Even for danger or positive for being safe and being secure. But much more, I would go with first going through the basics it takes to download negativity into my mind. And how I can do that is first go to YouTube. Go to YouTube because I'm using the internet to download negativity off the internet into my mind. I'm not going to try it. This is only for educational purposes only. Do not try this at home. Well, I'm probably going to click on this one. And I'm going to see where these videos take us off. I'm not going to click on any of them. But I do have one that talks basically about the stuff that I'm programming in my mental computer and running negative programming on a mental computer. So I could be doing that to an extent. I could be downloading negative thoughts in my mind and having negative thoughts, also negative programs. Just because people say Catherine is fiction does not mean that the mind is similar to a computer. Does not mean the mind is not similar to a computer. Just because grandma says Catherine is fiction or someone else says Catherine is fiction does not mean that your mind is not similar to a computer. It is similar to a computer. Still similar, works similarly, because like I said, they both process information and they both compute and they both store information. Those are three ways they can be similar. Is that they compute and they process and they store. Brains and computers are similar. Very, very similar. The joke about the brain being similar to a computer is that it really is. The brain is similar to a computer because of the way that it functions. Because we have the information processing and you can store information. So I'm going to show you that video once I'm done talking about the negative programs that I'm downloading off YouTube directly into my mind. So hacking is dangerous. But I want to use it to keep myself entertained. I want to use hacking to entertain myself. And that's what I could do. Hack to entertain or not hack, but watch videos about hacking to entertain myself. I love computers. And this phone is also a computer. My tablet is a computer too. And if my dad takes this one device I have, I will be mad. And then I would be trying to search for negativity. Meaning I would be trying to search for negative programs. Maybe I would be trying to search for negative programming instead of looking for positive programming. I'll be searching for negative programming because my brain can't find positive programming. Most mental computers may not be compatible with using positive programming even if you're mad. Some of them may be compatible with positive programming to help you when you're mad. But most mental computers may be compatible with negative relationships and negative programming and filthiness and danger of the negative thoughts and negative programs about someone hurting you. So right here, that's why I would be trying to search for negative programming with my subconscious mind or unconscious mind. I would be trying to search for negative downloading. Just to download negativity into the mind.